Did you know that over the past decade, Bitcoin has delivered returns of more than 9,000%? That's right. If you had invested just $1,000 back in 2013, you'd be sitting on a whopping $90,000 today. This jaw-dropping statistic is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential gains in the cryptocurrency world. Stick around to find out the best long-term crypto investments that could skyrocket your portfolio. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of long-term cryptocurrency investing. With more and more people jumping on the crypto bandwagon, it's becoming a popular option for those looking to secure some substantial returns. But, as always, we need to be smart about where we put our money. Let's explore how to navigate this thrilling yet sometimes treacherous investment landscape. Now, before we get into the juicy stuff, let's talk about the challenges that come with cryptocurrency investing. First off, we've got volatility. Prices can swing wildly within hours, leaving many investors feeling anxious and uncertain. Ever seen a chart of Bitcoin's price? It looks like a roller coaster. Then there's the misconception that all cryptocurrencies are scams or bubbles waiting to burst. While it's true there are many projects that won't make it, there are also some solid contenders that are here to stay. And let's not forget market risks, regulatory changes, hacks, and market sentiment can all impact your investments. So, it's crucial to do your homework before diving in. Okay, let's get to the good part. When it comes to long-term cryptocurrency investments, there are a few key players that stand out. First up, Ethereum. Not only is it the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, but it also boasts a robust ecosystem for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Then we have Cardano, which is gaining traction due to its innovative approach to scalability and sustainability. And let's not overlook Solana, known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and growing DeFi space. Each of these cryptocurrencies shows promise for future growth, thanks to their innovative technologies and use cases. As we explore market trends, it's clear that these projects are positioned to thrive as the world becomes more digital and decentralized. My top pick for the best long-term cryptocurrency to invest in is Ethereum. Why? Well, it's not just about the potential for price appreciation, it's about the entire ecosystem that surrounds it. With the rise of NFTs, DeFi, and the imminent Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, which aims to make the network more efficient, the potential for massive gains is significant. Ethereum is essentially the backbone of the decentralized internet, and as more applications and users flock to its platform, you could see some incredible returns on your investment. So, to recap, we discussed the immense potential of long-term cryptocurrency investing, the challenges you might face, and highlighted some key players in the space. Remember, while the potential for massive gains exists, it's super important to conduct thorough research and develop a solid investment strategy. This isn't just a buy and forget kind of deal, you've got to stay informed and be adaptable. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on long-term cryptocurrency investments? Do you have a favorite coin you believe will skyrocket? Drop your comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on cryptocurrency investing. Check out my other videos to stay in the loop and enhance your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!